So why having native plants, particularly trees, inside the city is so important because our kids and even myself as a kid in growing up in Bangalore in 70s, we were fed on a diet of, whenever we went out, we could see these are the trees, exotic trees that were there around us. So childhood is associated with all these type of trees, whereas in reality, our kids are missing a genuine cultural experience, that is the mass flowering, for example, today of this Pterocarpus, Vannemara. That collective buzz of the bees is quite mind blowing. And some million flowers have flowered all together. So whole trees filled with flowers, lots of them, and that buzz of the bees is something memorable. Collective buzz. I don't know how much this camera will capture of it, but it is definitely something mind blowing. Now it's still a little bit early in the morning. During the as the sun warms up, the insects they'll all get more activated, and I'm expecting butterflies and all to land up. So these are the cultural experiences and the associations what we should be having. Our children should get exposed to. Growing up, even in cities, you're denying them some basic heritage when we plant those foreign trees, which have also showy flowers, no doubt, but it's nothing compared to our local flora. And since Bangalore is named particularly after this Pterocarpus marsupium, uh, it's all the more important once again to get them back in our parks and public spaces. One thing is the flowers are very, very attractive. Uh, Bright yellow flowers. Then they all bloom together. That's another thing of this Pterocarpus. Then, and because of that mass flowering, mass gathering of bees happens, bees and pollinators. And this honey also is delicious. In my brother's place in Sirumala Hills, also this phenomenon can be seen, mass flowering of this Pterocarpus. And that honey what they collect there is amazing. It is a bit light and dark yellow colored honey, and not heavy. It's light, little bit moisture is high. Color also is like light lemon yellow color of the honey. So I will conclude by saying that people should plant all these native trees back, and our children deserve to grow up seeing all these seasonal events associated with the culture and our civilization values, rather than all kind of unrelated exotic trees brought from somewhere far off. It has no connection whatsoever with our local ecology, environment, and all. Rather than seeing that in the parks, we should be seeing these trees.